Check out this new video from our partners at Dorman.
Hi, I'm Nick with Dorman Products. These two parts look identical, but they actually behave quite differently. Four-wheel drive Ford F-150s and Expeditions, as well as Lincoln Navigators and Mark LTs, use this vacuum actuated assembly to lock the front axles to the wheel hubs when four-wheel drive is engaged. When four-wheel drive is not selected, the axles are allowed to freewheel, offering a slight improvement in fuel efficiency by preventing the axles from rotating. The vacuum actuator eventually fails with use, typically between 70 and 80,000 miles when the rubber diaphragm wears out. This not only eliminates the functionality of the actuator, but can also lead to vacuum leaks that affect other vehicle functions if not repaired. For drivers in search of a more permanent solution to this common problem, we developed this part, our Oe Fix four-wheel drive locking actuator delete kit. This patent-pending design eliminates the troublesome vacuum diaphragm and permanently locks the axle to the hub. This has no effect on the four-wheel drive system, which still functions normally at the flip of a switch. The axles are simply engaged full-time, just as they are on some other four-wheel drive vehicles such as Jeeps, with only a minor penalty in fuel economy. This solution gives owners more freedom to fix their vehicles however they choose. It's also designed to be reversible, maintaining the integrity of the original vacuum system with a built-in post to mount the vacuum line. If you choose to delete the vacuum actuator assembly, please be aware that you'll need to replace both sides at the same time. So remember, whenever you're looking for a replacement part, check Dorman first.